Word explorers, let's light up your mind with a brand new word. It's time to imagine big, right here on Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is visualization. Can you say it out loud? Visualization. Let's go. Let's spell it together. Ready? V-I-S-U-A-L-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. That spells visualization. Great job. Visualization means creating a mental image or picture of something. Let's break that down. It's all about using your imagination to see something in your mind before it happens in real life. Here are some words that mean the same as visualization. Say it with me. Imagination. Picturing. Mental image. Vision. Projection. Mental rehearsal. Portrayal. Pause here and review the synonyms. Each one adds more color and power to your vocabulary. Now let's look at the opposites of visualization. Confusion. Distraction. Blindness. Vagueness. Oblivion. Doubt. Pause here and review the antonyms. These words are the opposite of visualization. Here's a great example. Sofia used visualization to picture herself doing well in her recital. Let's review. Visualization means creating a mental image or picture of something. Synonyms. Imagination. Picturing. Mental image. Vision. Projection. Mental rehearsal. Portrayal. Antonyms. Confusion. Distraction. Blindness. Vagueness. Oblivion. Doubt. Every time you practice visualization, you're building the power to believe in yourself. Athletes, musicians, and dreamers use it all the time, and so can you. Here's your challenge. Close your eyes and use visualization to picture yourself doing something amazing, like giving a speech, scoring a goal, or finishing a drawing. Then, share your sentence with someone using the word visualization. Visualization is like a superpower for your brain. When you can see it in your mind, you can make it real in your life. And remember, you're already doing amazing things. Keep dreaming big, word explorers. Your mind is powerful, your words are strong, and another exciting word adventure is waiting for you tomorrow.